Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Trina. If this is your first time here, welcome. Before you go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the growing family. Guys, also do me a favor, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I got some good content coming for you guys, so you don't want to miss it. Now let's get into this video for today. So you guys like the Boxy charm unboxing that I did maybe a week or two ago, so I figured that I would continue doing them. So today we're going to get into the November Boxy charm unboxing. But after watching the first video, I kind of figured that it kind of made sense to actually show you guys what the products look like as like an actual makeup routine, instead of just being like, oh yeah, this comes in this box, that comes in that box. Yeah, you're seeing the products, but you're not actually seeing what it looks like. But if you want to see this November Boxy charm unboxing in the review, then keep watching. Let's get into this unboxing. So if you want to know what Boxy charm is, how it works, then make sure you go ahead and check out my first Boxy charm video. Is it worth it? And all that information will be in that video. So we're just going to get into the unboxing today. So what I got in this box is, we got some brushes. This is the Boxy Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes, and they look like this. The sun is on 1,000 today, guys, so sorry if this is like, if it's a glare, because the sun is like doing this thing today, okay? But I'm trying to get them out. It's 4 brushes, and they're basically like eyeshadow brushes. Looks like some blending brushes, smudger brushes. Okay, this thing is hard to get out, okay? But yeah. So, and they're by Boxy 131. Oh, it has on here what they are. So a mini angled, a mini tapered, a flat angled, and a mini round. So this is what they look like. And then next, I also got Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. I can't wait to try this out because my brushes and everything needs to be cleaned at this point. And then we also got Jonta Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. That's what that looks like. And these two have to be by far my favorite products in this box. Just, you know, an initial review for me already opening it. So this is the Ace Beauté Grandiosi palette. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is it. And look at those colors. Look how pretty that is. So pretty, right? So that's that. And we have the Cover FX Glitter Drops. Right? And, ooh, this nail polish is strong. I just got finished painting my nails. And I'm like, ooh, I know I'm still a little stuffy, but, y'all, look at this. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to insert a picture of this because I bet you the video is not doing this any freaking justice. So pretty, okay? They're like, y'all know I like the glow, okay? This is about to be a glow up. So now I'm going to get into actually using these products. And I'm only going to do the review or the video on the products that's actually in the box. And I'm going to try to use the brushes. We'll see. Okay guys, so I went in and I did my face and my brows, and I actually did one eye off camera. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do the other eye. I primed my eyelid with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige, and then I set it with my Airspun powder. So I really didn't like, I'm not going to say that I didn't like the brushes. I just feel like I'm not used to using the mini ones. So I don't know, I'll have to try them again, but I'm going to go in with my Morphe brushes to apply my eyeshadow on this eye, just because I feel like it'll be quicker. The mini brushes, it seemed like it took me longer to apply the eyeshadow to this eye, so I'm going to use my Morphe brushes to apply it on this eye just to make things go by quicker. So the first shade that I am going to go in with and use like as a transition color and then blend it down into my crease a little bit is Poppy, which is this color right here. Guys, this eyeshadow palette is bomb, okay? You do not need a lot. It blends out so effortlessly. I don't even know if I said that right. Okay, and then I'm gonna go on with a different brush and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. See for the focus, Cinnamon. This one, and I'm gonna put this into my crease and I'm gonna just build this one up. With the clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend these colors together. Like, these colors blend so good together. Like, I don't have to do much at all. Then next, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Prime Rose. This is so pretty. And put this on my lid. Now to clean up my shadow, to give it like that wing look on it, and I always go in with the same concealer that I use to prime my eyes, and I just go on this along the side like this.
Uh-oh, that's too much.
And you don't need a lot of this. And then I just take my beauty blender and I go dab, dab, dab. With the brush that I use for my foundation, today I use the Maybelline, which one is it? Maybelline Dewy Foundation and the Matte Poreless, and I use two different shades and I just mix them together to get my perfect shade. Now to highlight my brow though, I am going to go in with this shade right here, Jasmine, and I'm also going to put this in my tear duct. These colors are so freaking pretty, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, yes. And then I'm going to go under my bottom waterline. And I'm actually going to use one of these. I'm going to use this mini angled brush by Luxie. This one right here. And I'm going to take this color Cinnamon right here. And I'm just going to put that under my bottom water. Guys, this looks so bomb and so pretty, okay? It's time for me to apply my eyeliner and my lashes, and I ain't even got no lashes out here, which means I'm gonna have to go get some out of the bathroom. Oh, but I want to show y'all something. I purchased this from the beauty supply store. I think it was $4 or $5. It's just a mirror, but look at this. Ooh, I got lashes in here. Look at that. I didn't even know I used it for what it was supposed to be used for. But the inside of it is a lash holder. And then, oh, let me see if I can get the bottom part out. I always struggle with the bottom part. And then you set it up to apply your lashes. So I ain't got to get no lashes because I finally used stuff what it's supposed to be used for. I'm so excited and proud of myself. Yeah. I be having stuff everywhere. I be having everything that you use certain stuff for, like storage containers and stuff, but I never use it for what it's actually used for. So this makes me so excited that my damn lashes is in here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner. And my eyelashes. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did the rest of my face, my lashes, my lips, And I use this mascara, which came in my last month's Boxy Charm. It's by Superhero It, and I love this stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna do my favorite thing. We about to go in with this Cover FX glitter drops, y'all, and we're gonna highlight. So I'm just gonna squeeze some of this out so don't too much come out, and then I'm gonna put it where I would normally highlight. Ooh, I feel expensive using this stuff, honey. Ooh, feel rich. Ooh. I'm gonna do up here, some down the bridge of my nose. Yes. And then I think I'm just gonna use my finger. Let me use this makeup brush cleaner just to clean my finger a little, I guess. And I'm just gonna dab it in. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Bitch. Ooh, this is perfect for women of color. Perfect for women of color. Telling y'all, take my beauty blender. I'm just gonna dab it in some more. Y'all see that? Dang. That is so freaking pretty. Oh my God. Woo. As you guys can see, you don't need much of this. Okay? It's like, it serves its purpose, honey. And I almost feel like it's better when you just use your finger and then go in behind it with the beauty blender. Y'all, that is so pretty. Oh my God. Ooh, so freaking pretty. I think Boxy's Charm has stole my heart with this product right here. Oh, it's so pretty. It literally looks like, I can't even explain what it looks like, but it's, oh, it looks so rich, like, whew. I'm telling y'all, this is perfect for women of color. You know how sometimes they be the highlighters be too ashy for us, or like that champagne ashy looking color. But this right here, whew, this is everything, okay? Everything. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely love this month's Boxy Charm. This look came out so pretty. I think my favorite would definitely have to be the eyeshadow palette and the glitter drops. Like, the glitter drops will probably look like pretty on your skin too, so I just can't wait. And it's like, you get a lot. Like, you get a lot, sis. Like, this is so worth it. I am so happy with this, and I'm happy with the way that this look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next one, deuces.